This is the drain pipe coming out of Kay and Paul's house, and we would like a 30 by 30 centimeter small ditch running out to the swamp. This is the big ditch behind Dad's house. There's probably a drain pipe from Moore's house and a drain pipe from Dad's house that feeds this ditch. We need to have them clean out the dirt out a little bit here till you can see those drain pipes coming out of the houses, and also clean out the logs and tires and any old concrete pipes that are laying in the bottom of this ditch. The contractor filled Dad's ditch in so he could make a small road to get back into the property, and we need to have him dig that back out as soon as possible before the neighbor property owner sees it. We have some red lines here in the video that show where the missing fence posts were and also where the property line is. We need the contractor to save the remaining good fence posts and draw straight lines between them where he will make new fence posts as needed. This one broken fence post is in the middle of the property line, right behind the biggest tree. Turning around and looking out towards the soy, you can see where the contractor created a big driveway where there just used to be a small footpath and lots of bushes.